Let's see if it comes out.
Wait.
Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, beautiful! Another one. Amazing. Hey boy, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and I'm super pleased that you chose to watch my video today. I hope you get something out of it. In this video, I'm gonna show you a 2-ingredient recipe for something that I call sensory snow play. Now, I know some of you out there also call it moon sand. It's exactly the same thing. But because Christmas is coming up, instead of moon sand, we are gonna do sensory snow. I've shared this recipe before as well on this channel, but as I'm making a new one, I thought I might as well share a few options for you guys in this video as well. So this is one of the favorite things that the kids have been doing in my art classes, the younger ones, for sensory play. But to my surprise, also the older kids find this super fun. So if your kids are into like Play-Doh and this kind of stimulation for the fingers, foam play, they will love this as well if you haven't tried it already. So what you will need is, I poured this out here in already. This is cornstarch, and I put quite a lot of it to mix in for the kids to have enough each and they don't need to fight over it. So cornstarch, and then I normally use any type of conditioner. This is the one that I'm using today because hair conditioner gives it a lovely fragrance as well. And if you're doing this with younger kids and you want to keep it more natural, you can also use baby oil. So that has no fragrance and it's maybe more gentle for the skin. I have never had any problem with the conditioner though. It's been fine as well for younger kids. But if you prefer, or if you have this at home, you can try it out with the oil as well. Now, as you know, if you've seen my Play-Doh recipes, I don't measure that precise. I just poured out a bunch of cornstarch in here. And then I'm gonna mix in just enough conditioner to make it stick together, and if you put too much it becomes a little bit slimy, so just put a tiny bit at a time, mix it in until you get the consistency that you could make a snowball out of it and it stays together. We'll see what I mean in a second. So what I will do here is I will squeeze out a little bit of conditioner, see, roughly that much, handful. And then I mix it into the cornstarch, and you can see it's already starting to lump together a bit wherever it touched the cornstarch. So I'll mix it in, and as said, it's better to put too little than too much because too much will make it slimy. I think I'll add a little bit more. So you want to keep that kind of like flaky consistency, but still sticky enough to stay together as a snowball. Okay, let's see. So you want to test it out. Take a scoop in your hand, squeeze it together. If it stays together, it's enough. I think I'll add a tiny bit more. You might also want to keep some of the cornstarch on the side in case you happen to add too much, so that you can blend it out. If you put too much conditioner and it gets too sticky, then just add a little bit more cornstarch into it. So I'd say this is ideal for 1 to 3 year olds. You want to see that they don't put it in the mouth though. So if your kid is still in that age, then you want to do it together with them. But I think this is starting to look quite good now. So now you can form a shape and it stays together like this. And then you can still open it up easily. So this is good enough. I'll keep it like that. 1 second, I will wash my hands. So that's how easy and quick it is to make sensory snow play. Now to play with this, I just add different types of scoops and spoons, and also anything that you have from normal sand play or beach play, or even Play-Doh you can use with this. I'm gonna give them these shapes. These ones come from sensory boxes as well, so they can scoop in the sand and it will leave the shape when they lift it up. And to make it a bit festive, we're gonna add some pine cones. And that is it. Because it's the last session before Christmas, I am gonna give them a little gift. Let me pack this on the side and I'm gonna show you what I'm giving them. So in the little Christmas surprise, if you saw my haul earlier, my crafting haul, you would see me ordering these small canvases and also this type of ceramic ornaments. So they're gonna get these in a little package together with a wooden star, and we're gonna paint and decorate them, and also a little bit of chocolate. Like that, and this. So this is what they're getting as a little surprise for Christmas. And then I'm gonna tie it up together like this, and then we put a little bow around it, easy enough for the small fingers to rip open the paper and look for what's hiding inside. Together with a card. Remember this card? That one is going together with this little package today. And we're also gonna make a little bit more paintings and Christmas crafts and whatnot during the sessions today. So now I need to pack my bag, get my shoes on, and head over to art class. I shall see you later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it out if your kids are into sensory play. Right, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Now I wanted also to mention that when your kids play with this snow, use a tray, higher edge, so that the snow stays in place as much as possible. And also use a table cover because it's easier and quicker to tidy up after. You can imagine that this might get a little bit messy, so be prepared for that. And something that's also part of our sensory play when we're using this snow is that we keep the hoover close by, and when we finish up, the kids will help hoovering up the snow from the floor, and this is something that they actually enjoy doing as well normally, so you'll get help with that as well. That's it! Merry Christmas! Ha det bra, and thank you so much for watching. Bye! Turned out. That's really good. Careful so it doesn't break. And what does it smell of, this snow?
Oh, it smells like lavender.
Like lavender? Maybe it smells like flowers. For sure. Are you gonna make another one?
Yep.
Okay, so how do you do it? You fill it up, and then how do you get it out?
Tap it. Where's the tapping spoon? The tapping spoon I use always. Just put some snow on it.